What's up, guys? Well, today I was wake up with my dick twisted, and I try from that distance. It's more than 18 meters, but today my rifle go very well. I don't know why. And now I try to put another target. It's maybe 100. I hope it works. It's fresh, clean. And the distance is very long for a spring rifle, caliber 4.5. Okay. Let's see if, well, the job is go down this one. See? Because I have another one. Very long range. This one here, he do his job. It's about 15 meters. I built this spot on the tree when I have opportunity. I make a little bit of tower, like a watchtower. It's also very hot today, so fuck it. My rifle, Weichrauch 50S. And this one, Econ 2. Very precise. I do a lot of video with this type of pellets. Okay, it's a very hard test, but you see? No, you can't see. Okay. Okay. Very hard challenge for a spring rifle, you know. But what the fuck? Good. Well, the cup of beer was without holes because it's brand new. Then we have one shot. The first shot was hit in the middle. It's not easy. Econ 2, it's a very light one, so on the scope it's like 20 centimeter up. Another hit. Very nice, very nice. I'm impressed about this rifle. It cost me like 400 euro. I upgraded with another 17 euro, and the scope is not very much, but it's top mountain, 130 euro. So with this money, another hit. I buy a PCP one, but I was impressed because when I buy it, I prove it, and I see do not miss. So I say to me, I buy it and I upgrade a little bit. Now it's about 21 or maybe 22 joules. That's why I can make these shots about 17, but every time I try to pushing hard. Like this morning, it's about more than 18 meters. So I'm very happy. Now I tried to hit the new target. Very difficult. But after that we go and see what we have. Okay. The last one is a hard one. Okay. Fuck yeah. Fucking yeah. Very nice one, this one. Fuck yeah. Well, fuck me. It's like okay, we try another one, and then we go to see what happened. Okay, we have 3 shots in the long one. Very nice, very nice. I'm very impressed about how it works this morning. I was wake up early, like I say, with my dick twisted. So basically it's another one. Okay, we have another 2 here. 1 and 2, and another one there. It's a white one. Also very long distance. Okay, let's go to see what the fuck we do. I love this rifle because it works very nice. Okay. Very hot today. See. Like I say, Okay, this one was cool first, it's cool after, but now I put first a new cup of beer and take a look. 3 shots here, very nice, very fucking nice on that distance, very nice. And after that I try another 5 shots here. 2 I miss and 3 must be hit. And fuck yeah, the job is done. What the fuck? Very nice. And also in that direction, like in front, it's another target, so I shoot first. Take a look. For a spring rifle, like I say, it's very, very fucking nice. I enjoy at maximum with this rifle. I recommend also caliber 4.5 from HN. It's very Econ 2. It's very precise, long distance. If you are a little bit practice, you can make very, very nice shots. I just buy like 6,000 rounds. I got an offer on 20 euro on Amazon. Take a look. This one. Yeah. Nice. They all go pass through. Very nice. Okay, have a good weekend, guys. See you another day.